Hey Trailblazers, welcome back to the Declarative Academy, your go-to channel for mastering Salesforce the easy way. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest tutorials. Today, we're diving into Customize Opportunity Stages, a crucial step in setting up your sales process in Salesforce. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up custom opportunity stages to align with your sales process. Add guidance for success, providing sales reps with tips and best practices. Enable celebratory confetti for won deals to keep motivation high. Excited? Let's jump right in. First, let's navigate to path settings in Salesforce Setup. Start by clicking on the Home tab located in the Setup menu. In the Quick Find box, type Path Settings, then select it. Then click New Path and enter the following details. Path name, North American Sales Path. API reference, name, this is auto-populated. For the object, opportunity. Record type, B2B opportunities. Pick list, stage. After filling out the required fields, click on the Next button to continue with the setup process. That's the foundation of our path ready. Now let's define what guidance sales reps will see at each stage. Think of guidance for success as your trusty virtual signposts that help sales reps close deals faster, guiding them every step of the way. Let's dive into how we can configure these tools. First, let's navigate to the Prospecting tab. This is the starting point for building relationships with potential clients. Click the Prospecting tab. Now, click on Add Update Fields. Let's drag in a few crucial fields. Account name, expected revenue, lead source, next step. Once you've added these fields, click Save to lock in your changes. Under Guidance for Success, enter. Learn how to make the most of Salesforce and make your sales move more quickly and efficiently by completing the trail. Optimize sales features for Lightning experience, link in description, or copy it from the trail guide. Step 2, Qualification. Click Qualification. Click Add or Update fields and select Close Date. Amount. Once added, click Save. Under Guidance for Success, enter. Qualify the opportunity and confirm budget. What problems are they trying to solve? How does solving these problems help them? What is their budget? Or copy it from the trail guide. This ensures your team has the right tools and information at every stage. Now, let's move on to the next stage. Step 3, Need Analysis stage. Click Need Analysis. Click Add NOC Update fields and select Expected Revenue, Forecast category, Main Competitors. Once added, click Save. Under Guidance for Success, enter. Check out this helpful Salesforce video, 3 steps to reduce time to close. Link in the description. This ensures your team has the right tools and information at every stage. Now, let's add some fun. Click Next. Ensure that your Activate path is toggled on. Also ensure that your Enable Celebrations is toggled on. In the Picklist Values box, select Closed One and move it into the Selected for Celebration box. Change your celebration frequency to Always and click Finish to save your changes. With this, you have completely configured your custom path. Alright, let's dive into this exciting challenge and put your newfound knowledge to the test. First, head over to the app launcher and select the sales option. Once you're there, navigate to the Opportunities tab. Once there, go ahead and select My Opportunities. Now, choose an existing opportunity from the list. How about the United Oil Office portable generators? Once you have selected it, locate the drop-down arrow next to the action buttons. Click on that and choose the Change Record Type option. Next, select B2B opportunities and click Next to proceed. Don't forget to hit Save, click Save. Now, let's get interactive. Adjust the stage settings to different levels and watch as the Guidance for Success provides insights that will enhance your decision making. Finally, select Closed One. Click Save one last time to trigger a delightful confetti celebration. Congratulations, you've customized your opportunity stages. And now, whenever a deal is marked closed won, a virtual confetti burst will appear, giving reps a fun moment of recognition. As we wrap up today's session, let's take a moment to recap while you head back to Trailhead to verify your steps. First, we set up a custom sales path in Salesforce, tailoring the journey for our sales reps. Next, we added valuable guidance for success to empower our team in navigating their deals with confidence. And to top it all off, we enabled confetti celebrations to add a splash of joy for every closed won deal. Try this in your Salesforce hands-on org and let me know how it went in the comments below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Salesforce tutorials. Thanks for tuning in to the Declarative Academy. See you in the next video. Happy trailblazing.